All right, YouTubers, if your 2002 to 2006 T1N Sprinter has an awful grumbling, rotating metallic idle that just sounds like the rods, the bearings are dying or something like that, it could be the harmonic balancer. So I'm going to show you how to remove it, the outer ring, because there's rubber in between this ring and that, and when that rubber gets screwed up, it's gonna clank around, make all kinds of bad noises. So you can just remove this ring, and I'll show you a little roadside fix. And all you need is these. I spent like half an hour trying to drill this thing, and it is a lot thicker than I imagined. So I ran out of battery power on my drill, and I grabbed these channel locks, and I just started yanking just like this. And as you can see, it's right about to come off real easily. But this is how I would recommend doing it. Is just there. I need to adjust those channel locks. Maybe use my smaller pair, or maybe my vice grips. Yeah, channel locks is definitely better. A little smaller. Well, it's really hard to do this one-handed, but you see what I'm trying to show you. So, there you go. Just use some channel locks to pry it off. Or have a grinder on board, but I would not attempt drilling it like me. Enjoy.